nature, we are very much concerned about the environment. Even our sea lions wants to do their part to help and protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So, are you guys ready to go?
Let's see, Officer Ed. Yes, we are ready.
Good, now let's show these folks how sharp we are.
No problem.
Ready? Attention! Good job.
Folks, working the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit. While it's not a problem for Corey and Early because both of them are South American sea lions. They're not a seal. But how can we tell so first? They have these big and powerful front flippers. But how powerful are they? Well, check this out. Drum roll, please. Hey, Officer Gilbert, how's that for strength?
Early, how's that for strength? Not bad.
What do you mean that then?
Because Early can do better than that.
Alright, Officer, we would like to see them.
Okay, Early, come on down here. Now let's show these folks how strong you are. Another drum roll, please. More time, Early. That was great. Well, there's another feature that makes them different from a seal. High flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. Okay, Early and Corey, show them your back flippers.
Back flippers.
There we go.
The folks on the blue seals, on the other hand, are very much different. They have small front flippers and their back flippers don't rotate, so on land, they move a little bit funny.
So folks, tell me, would you like to see Corey imitate a seal?
Would you like to? Yes.
Okay, Corey, show them a seal.
Seal.
Hey, officer,
Yes, officer.
that's look like a sealer, right?
Yes, officer, this is how seals walk.
See what we mean? A little bit funny on land. So folks, how about a big round of applause for Corey? Good job. Now Early here would like to demonstrate a very important skill that every member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol must have, and that would be his remarkable self-control. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna ask Early to lay down here on the deck, just like that. Now I'm going to place, okay, these four very juicy fish right in front of Early's face. There we go. Now the rule is, he can only eat this fish on the clap of my hands for only one at a time. So let's start.
Kuya, tigil yung picture daw.
Okay, so first fish. That's a good boy. Good job, Early. Now stay right there. Now second fish. Alright, you're listening, huh? Now on the third fish. Hey, what are you doing? So you think you can trick Early? No, you can't, unless all of you clap your hands. Come on, louder! See, I told you, he's very good at this. Okay, Early, third fish. Now one more fish to go, and we are done. Hey, Early, what did you do? Hey, folks, tell me, did he eat the last fish? Yes. Okay, Early, tell me honestly, did you eat the last fish? No. What do you mean no? A lot of people saw you. Now show them what happens to a bad sea lion. Oh, Palu daw is back. Of course, we're only kidding. We don't hurt our animals here. here at Ocean Adventure. In fact, I'm gonna give Early another chance. But this time, it's gonna be more difficult because instead on the floor, I'm going to place this very juicy fish right on top of Early's big nose, where he can smell it, but he cannot eat it unless I clap my hands. Okay, folks? Same rule apply. Come on, clap your hands. Louder. See, I told you he won't eat it unless I clap. Come on, Ernie. Alright, one more time. There you go, and that is self-control. Good job. The Marine Patrol always tries to maintain a good community relation. So today, we have invited a member of the community who would like to meet Cory up close and personal. And assisting you is our very own Officer Wayne. Whenever you are ready, take it away, buddy.
Thank you so much, Officer Bebop. And where is our lucky guest? Right, where is she? Right, there she is. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. What's your name? Erica. So, Erica, why don't we start your friendship with Cory by giving her a good rap down at the back, just like this. Go ahead. There you go. So, Erica, tell me, is Cory nice? Yes? Alright, since you are Cory's new best friend, she would love to give you a very special treat. And that is a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. So, Erica, are you excited for the kiss? Are you excited? Yes? Let's ask Cory. Cory, are you excited to kiss Erica? Yes, she's excited. Alright, Erica, let me show you how it is done. All you have to do is lean toward Cory, offer your cheek, and she will give you a very gentle kiss on the cheek, just like that. Okay, you ready? Alright, move closer. Offer your cheek and hold it. Wow, that was a juicy one. So, Erica, did you like the kiss? Yes? Alright, let's put it this way. If you are to rate Cory's kiss from a scale of 1 to 10, being 10 being the best kiss that you've ever had, what would it be? A 10! Wow, perfect score! Great job, Cory! So, are you telling me that Cory's kiss is even better than your special someone's kiss? Yes? Is your special someone around? No? But anybody with you? Here? Alright, but then you know what? Cory have a special message for your special someone, okay? And what is that, Cory? No? And that means Bella Trap. Erica, thank you so much for being a great guest. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Cory, you may now go back to Officer Angelo. There you go. Now moving on. To stay in shape, our Marine Patrol likes to compete in an exciting contest of strength and agility. And that is the Sea Lion Feet Challenge. And again, I'm looking for another volunteer who thinks that he is strong and brave enough to compete with our current champion, Cory. Anybody? But I'm sorry, kids and ladies, but this time I'm looking for a brave gentleman. Okay, I see one over there. Kuya, can you help me out? He's right over there. Folks, I want a big round of applause for this brave gentleman. Hello, sir. Good morning. What's your name? What's your name, sir? Chris. Chris. Chris, are you ready to show us how hard-bodied you are? Yes, he's ready. All right, sir. You know what you volunteered for? No idea. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, why don't you come with me on the stage and I will explain everything to you. Okay? Stage time, sir. Please come with me. Sir Chris, where are you from? Pampanga.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our current champion, none other than Cory.
Yeah.
Great job, sir. Please come with me and let's stay here. Okay? Dito ka lang muna, sir. So, folks, this is how it works, okay? Corey here will be giving Sir Chris some tests to see if he is capable enough to be an honorable member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. The basic rule is whatever Corey does, Sir Chris, you have to do it as well. Okay? Okay po ba siya, sir? Okay po sa iyo yun? Gagayahin mo po si Corey? Yes. Okay? So, let's ask Corey. Corey, are you ready? Oh, not yet. You know what, officer? I think Corey needs some water. There you go. What about the flipper massage? And the other side. There you go. And a back massage.
because that is their home. Littering is ugly and it's very dangerous. Folks, did you all know that a plastic bag could kill? Did you know that? Yes, whales, dolphins, sea lions, turtles, and other marine animals could easily swallow a plastic bag just like this. They could choke and die. While fishing lines and pieces of nets on land and the ocean can kill tens of thousands of marine animals every year. You know what? These could get wrapped around their neck and flippers and cause a great damage. Just like... Okay folks, just like a broken flipper. And it's gonna be painful. Folks, just like what I've said, nets that we find in the ocean are extremely dangerous. Animals like Cory can get entangled with this kind of net, and let's see what will happen next. So folks, after getting entangled, slowly, they drown. Poor Cory. Well, it's a fine acting job, though. How about a big head? Poor Cory. Wow, good job, Cory. Conservationist, the Marine Patrol always practices the 3 R's.
Yes, and the first R is, come on early. Reduce. Reduce the amount of trash we make by buying items in larger sizes. Did you all know that these 4 small bottles here are equal to a big one? So better buy yes, the bigger one of course. Early. Let's go to the second R. Come on early. And the second R is reuse. Reuse materials like bags, boxes, and bottles whenever you can. And here's a great tip from our sea lion. Canvas bag can make great grocery bags, and you can save on papers and plastic. And the last R, any idea what's the last R? Recycle. Okay, let's see. Come on early. And the last R is... Yes, you're right. Recycle. Recycle materials like aluminum, paper, glass, and even a plastic container, just like that. And Cory will show you how.
Okay, Cory, there's a plastic bottle on the water. What are you going to do? She picks it up and takes it where? Okay, let's see.
Lalagay niya sa basurahan,
Oh! Hey, Cory, do it properly. Okay, let's wait for early. Okay, let's try it one more time, Cory. Okay, come on, let's try it one more time, Cory. Okay, she picks it up and takes it to the nearest recycling center. Good job, Cory.
Well, as you can see, cleaning up after ourselves is such a simple thing to do. Hey, and it helps our nature and environment so much. And if our sea lions can do it, so can we.
Hey, officer.
Yes, officer.
Officer, I think our sea lions trying to get our attention.
Oh, I think they would like to say something.
I believe so, officer. All right, Ernie and Cory, whenever you are ready, speak up.
There you go. That was loud and clear. So, folks, did you understand that? No, of course, you don't have to worry because Officer Jello understands sea lion language.
Yes, I do. Actually, what they said is, let's make every day Earth Day. Is that right, guys?
That's right. No. Okay, another mission accomplished. Another step taken towards a better Earth. Hey, officer.
Yes, officer.
I feel that we should celebrate. What do you think?
Yes, officer. I think we should celebrate with song dancing.
So, folks, please put your hands together for Ernie and Cory.
na.